Hi, I am Masaki Ono, a senior patent attorney belonging to the trademark division of Fukan Patent Office in Japan. This is the ninth of my mini lectures on the Japanese trademark practice, and I will quite briefly answer three FAQs about Japanese trademark applications. Now let's go. Question number 16. It is important to consider the time difference between your country and Japan. Yes or no? The answer is, of course, yes. It is extremely important. For example, the due date for claiming a priority in Japan is a date in the Japan Standard Time, not in your local time. Question number 17. You can submit a scanned copy of the priority document within 3 months from the filing date in Japan. Yes or no? The answer is yes. When claiming a priority, you need not submit the original of the priority document. Question number 18. You must indicate the Japanese katakana transliteration of the applicant's name in Roman characters on the application form. Yes or no? The answer is, as you can easily predict, yes. If the applicant's name is in Roman characters, you cannot indicate the name as it is on the application form. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Please do contact me anytime if you have any questions or requests about the themes of future lectures, or I can be of any assistance. As I asked in the previous lectures, please call me Masaki, Nicholas, or Freddy as you like. See you soon.